On 21st August, to encourage and motivate the students for their further studies and to avoid usage of any sort of drugs that is health injurious, Kirby Students Association Ronghithi branch organized Felicitation cum anti-drugs awareness program for all the successful candidates of HSLC, HSSLC this year at Ronghithi Market Complex, Matepung. The Felicitation cum Anti-Drugs Awareness Program was initiated by Ronghithi branch under the supervision of Deephu Regional Committee. It was chaired by Gabriel Teron, President of Ronghithi branch. As many as 28 students were felicitated during the event. Mirjane Crow, Vice President of Kirby Students Association, attended as the chief guest of the event. Raju Ingti, AGS of KSA, Liton Singh Timung, President of DRC, Soro Singh Bey, Secretary of DRC, Nelson Timung, President of Deephu Head Branch, Dipen Ingti, Rural Aid Society AGO, Biren Rongpi, GB of Sikari Rongpar, SGB, and many dignitaries of the region attended the event. Invited guests of the event and leaders of KSA had a fruitful interaction with the students, guardians and local residents of the region. They had encouraged and motivated the students for their further studies and to avoid usage of any sort of drugs that is injurious to health. The local residents expressed their gratitude towards KSA for initiating such steps towards the upliftment and encouragement of education sector to the valley. News Desk report for Kirby Online.